Short-term or long-term business plan post-pandemic? That is the question. Here's the answer. Yes. Okay, so you need to know like the direction you're heading. Like you need to know where you want your enterprise, where you want your team to be in the next 2, 3, 5 years. How much do you really know this truly going to happen? Short term, you gotta have a short-term strategy. You need to know what your objectives are for yourself, for your team, for your enterprise. I suggest on a monthly basis, we have some pretty clear objectives as far as what has to happen each month. But as knowing exactly what revenue and expense is gonna be, it is a target, but it is not a guarantee. What you do need to track is behavior. What are the behaviors necessary to get you to the goals you want? And typically, if you don't have enough sales, you're not talking to enough people. Time